Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this week I am going to share with you a type of nail art which is known as negative space nail art. No, it is not so complex as it sounds, because it is just a simple style where you have to keep some space unpainted on your nails while you paint the rest of your nails. So let's begin. Starting with a layer of base coat for all of my nails, and this is very important because I'll be keeping some parts of my nails unpainted. I am using very bright colors for this nail art, and this is a very easy nail art where you do not have to put in much effort and it will make your nails pop as well. Here I am using my old DIY nail art brush, and you can watch this video in this card to know more about DIY nail art brushes. This is how the nails will look with all the bright colors on. You can leave it here or you can proceed further. So let's see what else we can do. Leave a little space unpainted in the center for negative space style, and line the rest of the portions using black nail paint. So this is how bright and lovely your nails are going to look, and I hope you like this easy design, and I hope you will try this as well. And yeah, leave below your comments, like this video and also share this, and please help me reach 500 subscribers soon by subscribing to my channel right now, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook where I keep posting different types of nail art and keep joining in collabs. So yeah, see you later next week. Take care, have a great week ahead, and bye bye.